Okay, so today we are going to teach you a really quick oversplit tutorial for all 3 of your splits. This is something that can be added at the end of your stretch routine. So once your muscles are nice and warm, then you do these oversplits. Okay, so we're gonna start by using these yoga blocks. You can get these online pretty much anywhere, or you can use mats, you can use clothing, you can use really whatever will get you up. Sometimes people use stairs or chairs if you're really advanced, but today we're using these. So Pinch is going to start on this yoga block. She has her, just right where her ankle is on the top of the yoga block. She's gonna make sure that her hip is turned under so that she's in a true split and her chest stays up. She's gonna hold this for about at least 30 seconds. She's gonna stretch forward all the way down. And then we're also gonna have her stretch back for about 30 seconds each. After this, we're gonna add height. Pinch is pretty advanced, so we can give her a little bit more height, and she's still in a flat split. So you wanna make sure that you're pushing yourself enough, not too much where it hurts too bad. Okay, she's gonna do the same thing, stretch forward all the way. She's gonna sit all the way back up and stretch back for about 30 seconds, and then she can shake it out. Okay, once she does this on her right leg, we'll switch over and do the left leg so that she gets both of her oversplits. Okay, so now we are gonna teach you an oversplit for your center splits. So Pinch is gonna start in a second position straddle. She's gonna put her leg on one block, and then she's actually gonna roll over onto her elbows so that she's in a flat split this way. So, like I said, Pinch is pretty advanced. So, we're gonna add another block on the other side for a more advanced stretch. Like we did before with her other oversplits, you can continue adding blocks or continue adding height as long as she's still getting a stretch down in those hips. Okay, so when you are doing this, make sure that this happens at the end of your stretching routine. You want your muscles to be super, super warm before you push through an oversplit. Like I said before too, Pinch that demonstrated is very flexible. It is okay to have your hips not on the ground. She probably could have gone up to 4 or 5 blocks and still been okay. If you're more at a beginner level with this oversplit, totally fine to start at 1 block and have those hips off the ground.